Good morning, student. Let us start a new topic, continuity, and let us see the meaning of continuous. What is the continuous function? So first see the graph of some function, that is we can say continuous graph. So see the graph, there is no break, mean it is continuous. This is a continuous graph. Next is discontinuous graph. If you see discontinuous graph, there is a break here and also there is a break here. So this is known as discontinuous. So we find every function has a graph. This is we have done in previous classes. If y may be every function, there is a graph. Maybe any type of things, a straight line, curve, or anything. For example, fx is equal to sin x. So graph of sin x is this. Fx is equal to x square plus 1. So graph will be like this. Graph of x modulus function is like this. Graph of greatest integral function is like this. Here you can see there are some breaks. There it is not continuous everywhere. This is continuous everywhere. This is continuous everywhere. This is continuous everywhere. Okay. So question is how to find a function is continuous at a point. So let us see the definition first. Okay, when we can say a function is continuous. So any real value function f is said to be continuous at a point x is equal to a. If left limit is equal to right limit is equal to value of the function at a. If we want to find at x equal to 2, then the value at 2 it must be equal to left limit and right limit. Okay, or we can write this one, limit h tends to 0 f a minus h, this is the left limit. On the right side, limit h tends to 0 f a plus h, this is the right limit, and the value this is the main formula. So you must remember this formula. Only this concept is here, and we have done in class 11th how to find left limit and right limit. Only the third thing is f is equal to a. Okay, if limits are not equal, then it is also not continuous. If these are equal, then this must be equal. Or suppose these are equal and this is not, last is not equal, then also it is not continuous. Okay, so let's see one example from your book. Question number 6, exercise 5.1. Find the point of discontinuity for f where fx is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than 2 and 2x is minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So let us see here, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 are continuous at everywhere because this is the linear equation. So if we draw the graph, it is continuous. But let's see it at 2 because f is being changed. Graph has been changed here at 2. For less than 2 it is 2x plus 3 and for greater than 2 it is 2x minus 3. It is for equal to 2 also. So let's see the left limit. Left limit h tends to 0. So f2 minus h, and this will be equal to h tends to 0 and 2 minus h plus 3. We will use first one, 2x plus 3. Okay, because x is less than 2. Here 2 minus h means this is less than 2. And if we put h is equal to 0 here, you will get 7. Okay, on the right hand limit h tends to 0 f 2 plus h equal to limit h tends to 0. So 2 into 2 plus h, will use this one, 2 into x is 2 minus plus h and minus 3 here, so here minus 3. If you calculate it, you will get 1. Now what we are getting? We are getting this left limit and right limit are not equal. If these are not equal, we can say this is discontinuous at x equal to